Hey guys, welcome to another video for Syd. Of course, do a full kind of exploit this time, just to show you what Syd's all about using Metasploit and Nmap. So I'm going to use Nmap first to scan the computer. I've already populated the target computer 10.10.10.2. And I'm going to pick an intent scan. You can pick any of these scans here. And when you do pick them, you just hit that, click OK. And the scan details populate in here for the command. If you don't want to do this, you can put in a command here, click execute, and it'll basically do it for you. That's it really. It's all getting populated, obviously, as you can see. So we'll just wait for it to finish. Just take a couple of seconds, doesn't take long at all. And it should come up with some interesting stuff. So, okay, so the scan's finished, and we can go to services found and see that there's a few ports open here. Then we can go to next steps, where it tells you how to exploit, or what to do next, basically. And this is automatically flagging up the external blue and the SMB ghost, and it gives enumeration commands. So we've got an SMB wide open, and we're going to exploit it. So we go to Metasploit next, both like that, and we go to module browser and PSExec. Oh, it's already up. Yes. Oops, spells it wrong. PSExec search. There we go. So we're going to go with this one here. But just to let you know, for all the payloads, if you click on it, it gives you the module information. And it also gives you the source code for each one. So you can mess around with the source codes, have a little read, see what you're doing with it. But we're going to go with this one, and then we'll go to launch. So we pick from browser, which is in there, then we pick our payloads, which I've already done, our R hosts and L hosts, and in here you put any other stuff that you want. So I've actually got the username and the password, and then you just generate the script and click run script, and it should start running. Whilst we're waiting for that, there you go. I've already got some commands in here, so look at the IP config, system information. It'll bring all that sort of stuff up for you whilst we're waiting for it to run. So now it's run. We also have our Metasploit hooked up so we can give commands down here. So I'm going to use this command here and get a hash dump of all the hashes basically for the user. It's still running actually. I thought it finished. Let it just finish. It's already done the IP config and found everything. There we go. It's on target PC, Windows 10, work group, logs on users 2. There's the IP config information. And if we hit go there, obtaining boot key, calculating the H boot key, and we should get all the hashes for the users. There we go. So you've got an interactive shell as well. Now obviously this is a nightmare. You don't want to be sitting here looking through this all night, or anything else for that matter. So that's where Syd performs well. So you can just click use output, and then you've got all the information in here, nice and clean, tidy, ready for you to crack. Over here, you can ask Syd questions about the data in here. and he won't hallucinate. It's impossible for him to hallucinate. So you can click on Analyze Output. There you go. Absolutely instantly. Extracted facts. How many sessions are active? 6. What are the details of session 1? There's the target, the handler, status opened, and next steps. And it gives you commands, you know, you get the system ID. You just get the picture. Over here, like I say, Syd cannot hallucinate on the facts that are in here. So if it's not in these details, he'll tell you it's not in these details, and that's the same for Nmap as well. If you ask him a question and it's not in here, he won't answer. The only way we'll answer a question that's not in here is if there's nothing in, and then you can ask Syd general questions about Nmap or Metasploit. So far we've got Nmap, Metasploit, BloodHound, NetExec, and then up here in the blue team, all works exactly the same, by the way. He won't hallucinate for you at all. We have Volatility 3 working, so you can do all your memory forensics. YARA working, so you can do all your threat detection. PCAP, so Wireshark basically, and Chainsaw's working as well. So they're all working, all fine, all from the one system basically. And Syd saved you so many hours on this. You've seen how quick he was to just analyse that data there, the intelligence, and there you go, there it all is. No need to type it all out and make it all nice and neat. It's done for you from the pasted results. And that's it for Metasploit so far. I'll be doing another video on Sliver probably tomorrow. It is working. So I'll look forward to hearing from you, or you know, watch a couple of the other videos, see what you think. You've got my email, you've got my website, you can get in touch, leave a comment, whatever you want. And my next video will be on Sliver. And thanks for watching.